Hey guys, welcome back to Wrenchology. Today I am doing a little update on my S10 for you. These are all the parts that I decided to get from the junkyard that I could find, in decent shape of course. I'm going to use my favorite wipes to disinfect them. Why I'm using these wipes is because they are scrubbing. They have aloe built in to make sure my hands don't feel all dry if I do want to not use gloves, as well as my favorite thing being sanitizing. So they are antibacterial, and I do have non-antibacterial ones as well as ones made with bamboo and plenty of other options. I'll link all that in the description box below. And they smell nice, so let's get started. So as you can see, nothing fancy. Just wanted to replace all the parts that were missing because it did not look very nice. So thanks for watching if you're still here. The link for the awesome wipes that I used will be in the description box below. All the other links that you may need will also be down there. So if you want to help support Wrenchology, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, thanks for watching.